Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Birlasoft company, Birlasoft Limited is hiring for the fresher candidates for the management trainee position. This is basically for the HR position, that is human resources. They are providing you initially, this is for fresher candidates, so they are providing 4 lakh to 6 lakh per annum CTC. Job locations are Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Pune and Noida. So you need to apply for this drive. There are 6 openings. Functional area will be HR, that is human resources. You can check here. What are the roles expectation? What will suppose if you get select, then what will be your roles? The incumbent of this role is expected to learn and perform at the same time in order to take up the projects independently. The role incumbent is also expected to perform his or her role with the required diligence and quality. This role is also expected to take ownership and responsibility to own the functional area independently with minimum supervision. The incumbent should show flexibility to take on cross-functional projects at any given point of time as required by the organization. The incumbent is also expected to demonstrate high willingness to learn, adaptability and ability to collaborate seamlessly, and it is also expected to be ready to work from any offices of Birlasoft company or client location or any such location. So as per the company project requirement or the company business requirement, you need to work as may required by the organization. A strong ability to interpret and analyze data to improve processes in the functional area. The incumbent should be comfortable with the HR technology environment and ability to work on the basic office technology environment. Ability to look beyond the task and understand the functional objective of processes. So what is the eligibility criteria? Minimum 60% you should have in 10th, 12th or diploma, in graduation and in post graduation in human resources. So year of graduation are allowed 2020, 2021 and 2022, and no standing backlogs. Selection process is, there will be initial screening, that means first you need to apply. Once you applied, after that there will be a group discussion, after that functional evaluation and HR interview will be conducted. Desired candidate profile, key skills and qualification: MBA or equivalent in HR. You should have excellent communication skill, high ability to learn, good interpersonal skills, good analytical skills. Undergraduate qualification they haven't disclosed. PG post graduation, MBA, PGDM, MMS, that is in human resource, and minimum 60% in post graduation, and pass out batch 2021, 2020 and 2022, and no backlogs are allowed. Candidates should have both undergraduation and post graduation qualification. So they have shared the company profile here, and you need to click on apply now button to apply for this off campus drive. So once you apply, that means initial screening round will be conducted. That means you don't do anything. They will shortlist your resume if you fit in the eligibility criteria, and after that, once you fit into the eligibility criteria, after that you will get mail about the group discussion, and once you crack your group discussion, there will be functional evaluation, and after that HR interview will be conducted. So please apply for this drive, and thanks for watching this video.